In this video, we listed the 5 best backup camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Webcam Computer Web Cam. The eMeet 1080p webcam is a cutting-edge device designed to elevate your video communication experience. With a focus on professional image quality, this webcam offers impressive features to enhance your video calls. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and 4 layers of anti-glare lens, it ensures natural and clear visuals by eliminating reflections and flickering images. The webcam boasts dual microphones with noise cancellation technology, delivering crystal clear voice quality for seamless communication. With automatic low light correction, you can maintain a professional image even in challenging lighting conditions. The plug-and-play functionality allows for easy setup, enabling you to start your meetings instantly without any hassle. Compatible with all leading platforms, this webcam offers versatility and convenience for users across different systems. Additionally, the webcam includes a physical privacy cover to protect your privacy when not in use, and its flexible placement allows you to easily adjust the angle for optimal positioning on your monitor. The eMeet webcam, certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and WIFI, ensures reliability and quality, making it a top choice for users looking for a high-performance webcam solution. Number 2. MJDOUD Wireless Rear View Camera. The MJDOUD 7-inch car LCD monitor is a versatile and reliable device designed for various automotive applications, including VCD/DVD/GPS systems and car rear-view cameras. With a sleek design and stable performance, this monitor offers a clear picture and excellent color effect, enhancing the overall driving experience. Operating within a voltage range of 9V36V, this high-quality monitor serves as a safety feature by helping prevent accidents while driving in reverse, making it easier to avoid obstacles such as children, traffic, pedestrians, toys, and pets when backing out of parking spaces or driveways. The 7-inch TFT LED LCD screen provides a larger display compared to smaller monitors, ensuring better visual effects and improved visibility. Compatible with a range of devices including car DVD, VCD, GPS, cameras, STBs, and satellite receivers, this monitor offers wide compatibility for seamless integration. The Parking Rearview Priority feature automatically displays the rearview camera feed when the vehicle is in reverse, providing added convenience and safety. The adjustable automotive bracket allows for easy installation and viewing angle adjustments, enhancing user experience and flexibility. With features like two-way video inputs, PAL and NTSC system compatibility, OSD menu for display settings adjustment, and a durable ABS construction in black color, the MJDOUD Car LCD monitor is a practical and functional solution for enhancing your vehicle's multimedia capabilities. The package includes essential accessories such as a mounting plate, remote control, AV harness, and English manual for convenient setup and use. Number 3. Car DVR 3-lens Wi-Fi dashcam. The WDS-ZKMYF Car DVR is a feature-rich and versatile device designed to enhance your driving experience and provide added safety and convenience on the road. With a wide range of specifications and functions, this car DVR offers high-quality performance and reliable recording capabilities. Featuring a wide aperture of f1.8 and a working temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to +70, this DVR is suitable for various weather conditions and lighting environments. With a 1-year warranty and accessories such as a suction cup holder and application manual included, this DVR offers peace of mind and ease of use. The cable length options of 3.2 and 6 provide flexibility in installation, while the compact dimensions of 10.54 25.2 centimeters and lightweight design of 350 G make it convenient to mount in your vehicle. The USB input-output, lithium battery with 100 mAh capacity, and corded electric power source ensure easy connectivity and reliable performance. Compatible with Android and Apple devices, the DVR offers app compatibility and supports data storage capacity of up to 128 GB for ample recording space. With features like loop cycle recording, G-sensor, motion detection, rear camera, night shot function, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, and parking monitor, this DVR provides comprehensive coverage and security while driving. The built-in IPS display, Sony IMX307 imaging sensor, 1920x1080 camera resolution, and H264 video codec deliver high-quality video recording with clear details. Additional features like audio recording, 30 FPS maximum video frame rate, and Class 10 memory card reading speed ensure smooth and reliable performance. The WDSZ-KMYF car DVR also includes special functions such as a G-sensor for impact detection, motion detection for security, and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file transfer. With a maximum external memory capacity of 128 GB, 3 lenses for comprehensive coverage, and a variety of language options for the OSD, this car DVR from WDSZ-KMYF is a reliable and efficient solution for capturing your driving moments with clarity and detail. Number 4. LINGDU LD06 Dashcam. The LINGDU LD06 Dashcam is a high-quality device with a wide range of features to enhance your driving experience and safety on the road. It has an aperture of f1.8, ensuring clear and detailed video recordings even in low-light conditions. The camera offers a resolution of 3840x 2160 and a wide 150-degree view angle, capturing a broad perspective of the road ahead. With loop cycle recording and night shot function, you can continuously record footage and capture clear images at night. The LD06 also comes with a rear camera, G-sensor technology, built-in GPS, and a parking monitor for added convenience and security. It supports a maximum external memory of 128 GB and has a variety of interfaces including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and micro SD TF. The LINGDU LD06 is a reliable choice for car owners looking for a versatile and feature-rich dashcam to ensure peace of mind while driving. Number 5. Hippcron CarPlay Rearview Camera. The Hippcron 7-inch Universal Car Multimedia System offers a seamless and convenient solution to enhance your driving experience without the need to modify or disassemble your original car equipment. Compatible with a wide range of car models including VW, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Seat, KIA, Hyundai, Ford, Mazda, and more, this system supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to sync your mobile phone seamlessly with the car display for easy access to apps and features. With support for Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free calls, and Bluetooth music streaming, you can stay connected and entertained while on the road. The system also supports multiple devices, allowing you to connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. Additionally, features like SD card, U-Disc, AUX support for playing music and videos, FM transmitter for broadcasting audio to your car radio, rear camera support, and a host of functions including Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, Mirror Link, HD display, backup camera, and time memory make this multimedia system a versatile and user-friendly addition to your vehicle. The easy installation process and adjustable 360 degrees viewing angle ensure a hassle-free setup that fits most vehicles, while the Bluetooth 5.0 technology enhances driving safety with hands-free calling capabilities. With multimedia playback support for various formats and compatibility with most car models, 12V, 24V, the Hippcron Car Multimedia System offers a comprehensive and reliable solution for modernizing your in-car entertainment and connectivity.